Businesses are now entering a new era. Augmented, mixed and virtual reality are introducing a whole new perspective to experience the physical world by overcoming its traditional boundaries and limitations. SPACE1 Augmented Collaboration is the solution that combines these technologies with artificial intelligence, allowing companies to reshape their operations, reduce costs, and drive continuous improvement across their processes, regardless the industry they are operating in. With SPACE1's features, organizations are empowered with a fully collaborative solution to troubleshoot and rapidly resolve, in safety conditions, any task, train staff, and present any product. SPACE1 is a cross-platform, multi-device product that works both online and offline and can be easily integrated with other enterprise systems to extend resources capabilities in 3 different application areas, such as maintenance by supporting on-field workers in their daily tasks with interactive guided procedures and vocal commands to collect multimedia content, debrief work orders, and share the company's know-how. Training by providing innovative training sessions within graphic reproductions of working environments where users acquire deep knowledge of operational tasks safely and remotely. Presentation by connecting the right people with the right expertise, allowing to share in real time any content and information in order to provide guided support or engage with clients remotely. The product embeds the latest knowledge management techniques for collecting, transforming and sharing data, ensuring the transfer of expertise among all company stakeholders. By combining augmented reality with artificial intelligence, SPACE1 is the product that simplifies collaboration processes and improves the staff's expertise, allowing you to take your business wherever you are.